Hi, Tom here. In this week's Circle Line Art School video, I'll show you one way to draw using three-point perspective looking down on a building. In this drawing, as we're looking down, we can draw the horizon line towards the top of the paper, as the horizon line is the height of our eye line, and we're not looking up, so nothing will be above the horizon line, but we are looking down. Next, we need two vanishing points on this horizon line far apart. A vanishing point is a point in perspective where two parallel lines will look like they meet if they were to continue. So in this drawing we're looking right and we're also looking left, but we're also looking down. So we've got a vanishing point on the right for looking right, we've got a vanishing point on the left for looking left, and now we need to draw another vanishing point low down on the page towards the middle. Sometimes it's best to do it even beyond the edge of the page, further away, and this will be our third vanishing point. Now we have our three vanishing points for this drawing using three-point perspective. Next, draw a dot somewhere in the middle of these three vanishing points, and this dot can represent the nearest corner of the building that we will draw. From this dot, we can draw a straight line towards the left and another towards the right vanishing points. Then on the right hand line, the line going to the right vanishing point, somewhere along there we can draw another line to the left vanishing point. And from the left line, going to the left vanishing point, somewhere along this line, we can draw another line to the right vanishing point. And by doing this, we now have a simple rectangle which will be the top of a flat roof in two-point perspective, because we're just using 2 points at the moment. Next, draw three straight lines from the corners of your rectangle going down to the third vanishing point. Choose how tall you want the building to be and mark on the middle line that's going down a point, a dot, and then draw a straight line from this dot to the left vanishing point and another straight line to the right vanishing point. Now our rectangle that we drew in two-point perspective, the top of the roof, has become a cuboid in three-point perspective, because we're looking left, we're looking right, and we're also looking straight down all at the same time. And that's why we're using three-point perspective in this drawing. Remember, the horizon line is at the top of the paper, and this line shows the height of our eye line, and the building is below the horizon line. This block, which will turn into the building, is below the horizon line because we're looking down, and the third vanishing point is needed so that we can know where these lines, as they go away from us, they get closer together, and eventually, following the principle of perspective, the lines will look like they meet, and we'll need to have a dot where these lines meet, and this dot is our vanishing point, our third vanishing point. All the lines in this drawing follow these basic principles of three-point perspective. If you would like to learn more, please visit my website, circlelineartschool.com. Thank you very much for watching this drawing. I hope you found it useful for your own drawings. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Circle Line Art School, to keep up to date with all the content I create. Thanks for watching and see you next time.